By the way, I want to go back here, and I didn't say it because I didn't think I need to, but it has to be sine of something. You can't just write, I should never ever see sine equals. Ever. You've got to have an input. Kind of like log, you'd have log of something. It's an operation. It's a function. Don't ever give me sine equals. Give me sine of the angle. You have to tell it what angle. Because if I ask for the 6 trigonometric ratios of B, it's a whole different problem, isn't it? Yeah. So here, I'm asking for theta. So the easiest way to do this one is to draw a generic triangle. You may be completely off, but it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to call one of my angles theta. Now if sine is 5, 6, wouldn't that be opposite over hypotenuse? So opposite over hypotenuse. Exactly. So let's find the other side. Be careful, this is C, right? So 5 squared plus B squared equals C squared. Right, hypotenuse must be with equals, so I have 25 plus b squared equals 36. Subtract. I get what? 11? So b is the square root of 11. Does that reduce? No. So just square root of 11. Now let's jump right in. Let's do cosine of theta. So here's theta. What will cosine be? What? Well, just tell me, what is cosine? Square root of 11 over 6. Does that reduce? No, because there's nothing inside or outside. Okay, so let's do tangent of theta. What would tangent be?
Square root of 11.
Careful, tangent would be 5 over square root of 11, right, which we need to clean up. We can't have that square root on the bottom, which will give me 5 square root of 11 over 11. And the 5 and 11 don't reduce, so I'm done. Okay, let's see, let's go ahead and do secant. What is secant the reciprocal of? Cosine. So instead of doing square root of 11 over 6, I'm going to have 6 over square root of 11. Clean that up. I don't want that square root in the bottom. 6 square root of 11 over 11. Since the 6 and 11 don't reduce, that's done. Let's do cosecant. What's its reciprocal? Sine. Cosecant is sine. So instead of 5, 6, it is 6 fifths. That one's easy to find. Now last but not least, good old cotangent. So instead of opposite over adjacent, I want adjacent over opposite. Square root of 11 over 5. Very typical ACT problem. It won't ask for all 6, but they may say if sine theta equals 5, 6, what is secant theta? You draw your triangle and find secant of theta. Yeah? Like I said, they're not too tough, just time consuming.